Hi, I'm Chad Busenich, Engineering Manager with SumoSprings International. Today we've got this 1987 Land Rover Defender 110 in our shop, and we're going to be installing SumoSprings front and rear. The SumoSpring kits come with the SumoSprings, mounting brackets, hardware, Loctite, everything you need to put it in. This Land Rover is used for off-road a lot, so it will really help to absorb those harsher hits and bumps and give it a much smoother journey. Let's get into it. So first thing we want to do is remove the factory bump stop right here. So to install the SumoSpring, first we're going to mount it to the mounting bracket. In a standard application, the mounting bracket will bolt to the top of the SumoSpring, place the mounting bolt and washer right in here and tighten it down. Because this vehicle is lifted, we're actually going to add a couple spacers, 2 1/2-inch spacers. So we're going to space it up 1 inch, and we're going to assemble it this way with a longer bolt. Add some blue Loctite to the threads of the bolt, line everything up. This mounting bracket has provision to offset the SumoSpring inboard or outboard a little bit if needed. On some vehicles, it may be necessary to shift it over one way or the other a little bit to line it up on the axle. This one, we're just going to go with right in the middle, and that should be right where it needs to be. So we're just going to tighten that down, nice and secure, and we'll go ahead and install it in the vehicle. First thing that we're going to do is place the hardware in place. So the ends of the bracket on the frame here have a notch in them. You can just take the bolt with the washer, slide it right in place, and do that front and the back of the bracket. And then you might notice that the factory bump stop has 2 holes and our bracket has 3. This is because on the rear it uses the further center hole here. On the front they use these holes here. So we just made one bracket and fits it both front and rear. Position the SumoSpring in place, line up the bolts full of mounting holes. So we'll do the same exact process on the other side, and that will complete the installation of the SumoSpring on the front of this 1987 Land Rover Defender 110. As you can see, we do have this hole slotted up here in case there's any interference with anything or you need to adjust it side to side at all. You can do that and make sure that you have clearance for exhaust, suspension, all that kind of stuff when you're putting it together. So it helps to test fit it if you need to and attach it exactly where it needs to be. We're gonna take one of these M8 bolts and washers, slide it right here, one at the front, one at the back. On these older vehicles, sometimes this hardware gets a little bit rusted or corroded, and so it might be a good idea to take this opportunity to replace it with some new hardware. The bracket that we provide, you can see there's different bolts here, and that's because the front kit uses these bolts here, and on the rear it uses this. So rather than have 2 separate ones, we just have one bracket that accommodates all of them. And that concludes the installation of our SSR-702-40 on this 1987 Land Rover Defender 110.
Just when we pulled out there, I noticed it feels a little more planted, like definitely less body roll. Yeah, it's definitely got better road manners. It just feels like stiffer. It's exactly what I like now. Still enough roller in it, like I think it'd be pretty good off road. It's not like too stiff, but it's perfect for driving around like I'm doing. Like it was bad before. When you take a turn and you almost feel like you had to correct it after the turn. Yeah, it feels great.